Today we got the Redmi Note 14 and this need a LCD and the device is bented and we are going to make it straight. The device is working. Now let's remove the back. It's made from plastic. Use the suction cap to make a gap. This device is the first time being repaired and we are going to do our best to fix it and make it good for the customer. I searched for a LCD screen LCD with a frame, but I couldn't find in our local distribution. So that's why we are going to put LCD without frame. So we are going to fix our frame. All right, you can use any plastic cards to make a gap and go all over the edges so we can remove the pack. As I told you, it's made from plastic. Now it's being removed. The second thing we are going to do is to remove all the screws from the board. All right. And the second time is we are going to remove the SIM card tray. That's very important. It's from the bottom. We don't need it because we are going to separate the house from the frame. As you can see, we can't remove this without removing the SIM card tray. So this is very important to do first. You can detach it easily. All right, it's out. There's no fingerprint sensor connected to the housing. Now let's unplug the battery connector. And we are going to remove the battery, but I saw later the screen comes from a different location, so we don't need to remove even the battery. But because I want to make the frame good or straight, I had to remove the battery and the main board to make that happen. But if you have a new frame, you just need to remove all your parts from the old frame to the new frame, and that's it. And then you can assemble and finish your job easily. So we have to remove the battery. This job may cause too much time to do that job. This battery has like two batteries in one battery. I don't know why. All right. Keep pushing from the different two locations, from the right and the left. All right. Don't push too much. We don't need to cause any damage. And that's a very important thing to do. In some models, we can buy LCD with a frame, and this is very good. Also, I'm going to mention in this video, I'm going to put LCD from company named KBS LCD. And this is a new company. We are using their LCD in these days. Remove this sticker for the battery. We don't need it because we are going to remove the flex cable. We don't need it while we are painting to make the frame straight. We may cause problems. All right, this is a flex cable that contains subboard to the main board. Connected, consider subscribing. Connected with the screen. So this one flex cable, if it's damaged, you had to replace it. Now we are going to remove the old screen. You can use the ear speaker gap using with alcohol. I used isopropyl 99.9%, and then you can bring any metal to make the gap, and then you are going to swipe it down to the edges. If you make the gap, then the operation will be very, very easy. If you can insert these plastic pieces. I'm going also to mention these plastic pieces comes from iPhone screen protectors. When I remove the screen protector, this one left, so I keep it. Or you can use playing cards, the one made from plastic and not made from carton. It's important. Here we have ear speaker shield. We are going to remove it and keep it to our main frame. Also, you have to clean it from any pieces of glass. This one, it's hard to be done. Fixing the frame isn't easy. You may damage it while you are doing this. So you have to be careful and patient while you are doing this. You can see how it's bent. I'm doing the cleaning first. After that, I will put the LCD and I will see the difference, and then I can determine whatever I should do from which area should I paint. I didn't put the operation while I making the frame good, but you will see it at the end. It's a good fix at the end. Alright, you can use the knife to remove this. Don't break it. Alright, you see it's perfect. Fits in the position. I fix it and then I cut that. Sorry. I can't see you. I took about 2 hours, 3 hours, not fully time, but to fix it and searching with the local distribution if we have or we don't have. But at the at the end I didn't find, so I had to repair it with this LCD just without the frame. And you can see we are putting the glue now. It's CB00303 or 0302. This is a good glue for the devices, especially it's black. This is the LCD. It's a KBS. New LCD comes from new company. All of these LCD comes from China. You can see it's different now. The paint is different. There is somehow paint, but I fix it about 95%, not 100 fully percent. I can't do it 100. I should make it straight to the camera so you can see it at the end. As you can see, the screen also is fit in its place, and this is good. We don't need to push it in its place. So that means our job has been done perfectly. Now plug all the cables that need to be plugged in. This is the connector of the screen. Make sure also this cable is on its place, and then we are going to put the battery in its position, also the shield under it. You have to put every pieces in there. Don't remove any part you think it's not needed. Everything is needed in this phone. All right, so remember these words, that you don't have to remove any part you think it's not needed. As you do and repair this job, every part you removed, you put it in. It's very important, and you should do that all the time. And every screw, that includes the screw. All right, Our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.